So I wanted to I didn't mention it in class, but I wanted to mention that, we only have 2 hours or so, let's see, 3 hours next week to get these done in class. So if you want to do one design in Illustrator, that would be great. But if you end up running out of time to get your other designs done, then you can use other editors. So at home that are free if you don't have the Adobe products at home on your computer. So one of them is photop.com. It's very similar to Photoshop. So photop.com, and then if you do a file open, you can actually open that Photoshop filter template from the Brightspace that you download onto your computer in this program, photop.com, and it's really similar to Photoshop. So I'm actually in it right now. You can see the buffer zones, so the background. You can turn everything off and you can work in here. There's actually a paintbrush tool here, some shape tools here, different things you can work with. I mean, it doesn't have as many options as Photoshop does, so you might find it rather limiting, but it could work for, some simple designs. GIMP is also another, GIMP.org is also another option, a free and open source image editor. So you could download this and try and use this. It's very similar to Photoshop. Another one to check out, and I don't know much about it, but I've heard about it, Gravit. So this free Gravit might be a decent one to use. So you could start now. I don't really know what the interface looks like, but I think that they might want you to log in with Facebook or something, but I think it's similar to Illustrator, maybe a little bit different. Make sure that they don't wrap you into actually paying for anything, but more than likely Canva's not going to work, because there's really no drawing tools in Canva. So but GIMP or Photop might work okay for you for at least one or two of the designs. And then if you have to come into the library to get things done, then that's just what you're going to have to do, because our class is not very long, so you really have to kind of think about how you're going to use your time the most wisely. So, okay, talk to you guys on Monday.